Have you ever pondered the unthinkable? What would happen if the Earth came to a sudden screeching halt? Imagine the planet we call home spinning ceaselessly on its axis, suddenly frozen in place. This rotation, this cosmic ballet, is more than just a celestial spectacle. It's a fundamental part of life as we understand it, governing everything from our perception of time to the very climate under which we thrive. Now let's delve into the chaotic consequences of such an astronomical event. Imagine the Earth, our home, suddenly ceasing to rotate. Picture this. The Earth's rotation slows, halts, and in that moment, the laws of physics kick into overdrive. The first immediate effect we'd witness would be the inertia. You see, our planet spins at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour. Halt that, and everything that isn't tied down would continue moving in the same direction, eastwards. Now think of our oceans and the atmosphere. They've been spinning along with the Earth for billions of years. If the Earth's rotation stopped, they wouldn't. This would trigger extreme winds, the likes of which we've never seen, reaching speeds beyond anything imaginable. And colossal tsunamis would sweep across the globe. And yet the atmosphere continuing to move at the same speed, even though the Earth has stopped, would create a catastrophic friction, heating up the surface and causing widespread fires. This would only be the beginning of our problems. As the dust settles, we'd find ourselves on a drastically different planet. The cessation of Earth's rotation would set in motion a series of catastrophic events, reshaping the very face of our planet. Over time, the centrifugal force that once pushed land masses towards the equator would diminish, leading to the formation of a megacontinent around the middle of the Earth. Meanwhile, the polar regions would be consumed by vast, icy oceans, a stark contrast to the dry, desert-like equator. The sun, once a reliable harbinger of dawn and dusk, would now play a cruel game of hide and seek. One side of the Earth would be bathed in perpetual daylight, turning it into a scorching desert with temperatures soaring beyond anything we've ever experienced. The other side, shrouded in eternal darkness, would become a frozen wasteland, a silent testament to the night that never ends. These extreme temperature differences would wreak havoc on our climate, creating violent storms and unpredictable weather patterns. The Earth's atmosphere would be dominated by a permanent jet stream, whipping around the planet at terrifying speeds. And what of life on this new Earth? Plants, animals, and humans would face unimaginable challenges. The concept of day and night, seasons and years would become meaningless. Survival would hinge on adaptability and resilience, but even then the odds would be overwhelmingly stacked against life. Life as we know it would cease to exist. Could any life survive in this new world? That's the burning question. In the aftermath of Earth's sudden halt, a twilight zone would emerge, a thin strip of land where day meets night, the only habitable zone in this new reality. In this realm of perpetual dusk, life would be challenged to adapt and evolve to these extreme conditions. Humans, animals, plants, all forms of life would face a new test of survival. Could plants photosynthesize with diminished sunlight? Could animals adapt to the harsh temperatures and violent winds? Could humans innovate and overcome as we have done throughout history? The potential for life to endure and evolve in the twilight zone is intriguing. It's a testament to the resilience of life and the power of adaptation, yet it's a chilling prospect to say the least. It's a grim thought, but it's important to remember that this is all hypothetical. So what does this all mean for us? The concept of our planet ceasing its spin is indeed a thought-provoking one. Our exploration has shown that Earth's rotation is not just a cosmic dance, but a vital factor for our existence. From the immediate aftermath of violent winds and massive waves to the stark division into a permanent day and night, the consequences of such an event would be catastrophic. This divide would result in a world of extremes, a harsh reality for any life form to endure. And the question of survival, well, the challenges would be monumental. As we've seen, the Earth's rotation doesn't just give us day and night, it's a fundamental aspect of our planet's balance. It's a fascinating yet terrifying concept, isn't it? But don't worry, the Earth isn't stopping anytime soon. Until next time, stay curious.